Hello, Igbo, and welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is Igbo Academy, and I am Chioma. Today we are going to continue talking about abịdịị, which is the Igbo alphabet. Last time we talked about the Igbo alphabet, that they are 36 in number. That is C. And we talked about the capital letters, which are the nnukwu mkpụrụedemede, and the small letters, which are the obere mkpụrụedemede. I hope by now you must have mastered how to write everything very well. We also talked about how the Igbo alphabet is divided into two, just like the English alphabet. The Igbo alphabets are divided into two, into the vowels and the consonants. The vowels are called udaume and they are 8 in number, while the consonants are called mbochume and they are 28 in number. I think by now you must have mastered everything about the vowels and the consonants and how to write the letters, the alphabets, both the capital and the small letters. If you have not, please, I advise you go back to my first video on Igbo alphabet and learn everything so that you'll be perfect in it, because that's the basic of learning the language. So today we are going to continue talking about the Igbo alphabet, the vowels and the consonants. The vowels are further divided into two. You have, that's udaume is divided into two. You have the udamfe, which are the light vowels, and the udaro, which are the heavy vowels. So the udamfe are called ndiotu a, or the a group, and they are a, e, the one with the dot under, the I with the dot under. The O with the dot under, and O. As you can see, your mouth is light. The tone coming out of the mouth is light. That's why they are called light vowels. They are called udamfe. Then the udaro are the due to that's E, or the E group. They are E, capital letter, that's letter E, letter I, letter O, E, and letter U. So those are the udaro. And in Igbo language, there's something called ndakorita udami, which means that in every Igbo word, the vowels in every word must come from a group, a certain group. It governs most of the Igbo words, but not all of them. It is called ndakorita udami. So that is something we are going to discuss in another lesson. Then when we go over to the consonants, as we all know, are 28 in number. That's Idiabo na Sato, 28 in number, and they are called mbochume in Igbo language. They are 28 in number, and they are divided into two: the digraphs and the single consonants. That's the single consonants are 19. They are called single consonants, or mbochume nge in Igbo language. Mbochume nge in Igbo language, and they are letters B, the single B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, T, V, when, ni, z. I'll take it again. Mbochume nge are 19 in number. They are the single consonants. We call them mbochume nge, or single consonants, and they are b, d, fi, gi, hi, je, ke, le, m, n, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, vi, wen, ni, z. I'll call it again. B, letter B, letter D, letter F, letter G, letter J, letter H, letter K, letter L, letter N with a dot on top, letter P, letter R, letter S, letter T, letter V, letter W, letter Y, and letter Z. So the other branch of the consonants, mbochume, are those consonants that are double. They are called double consonants or digraphs in English, and are called mbochume mpe. Remember previously I told you that anything that is mpe is something that is two. They say that something mpe, it means that it's two. There are those consonants that are two. An example are CH, which is chi, chi, GB, which is b, GH, which is gi, gi, GW, which is gui, gui, KP, which is ke, be, KW, which is kwe, NW, which is NY, which is ni, and SH, which is sh. So I'll go through them again. Chi, there are 9. Mbochume mpe, which are the double consonants or digraphs, and 9 are itolu. Itolu, that's 9 in number. Chi, be, ge, gwe, be, kwe, wen, ni, shi. So that's that about the division of the vowels, which are udaume, and the consonants, which is mbochume. They are all further divided into two: udaume mfe and udaume aro, mbochume mfe and mbochume aro. So we have another one, inyiri udaume, inyiri udaume. Inyiri means that it resembles vowels, and there are only two. Had the abwa, the a, me and ni. Those two are the inyiri udaume in the Igbo alphabet. We have udaume. Udaume are 5. They are words, they are vowels that we call from our nose. They are not vowels, they are consonants that we use our nose in calling. Whenever we call them, is our nasal cavity, the sound comes out of the nasal cavity. And examples of this udaume are me, no, your nose is doing a good work here. Ni, wen, ni. So M, N with the dot on top, NW and NY. So those are inyiri udaume. So I think that will be all about the ABCD in Igbo language. Today, let's go through what we've learned today. We've learned about the division of the ABC, the alphabet, the abịdịị, into two, the vowels and the consonants, the udaume and the mgbochume. The vowel udaume is further divided into udaume mfe and udaume aro. The consonant is further divided into mgbochume mfe and mgbochume aro. Then we further have, it's further divided into mgbochume nge and mgbochume mpe. So the consonants are further divided into mgbochume nge and mgbochume mpe. Then we have inyiri udaume in our alphabet, and we have udaume. So I hope you master all this very well. So your homework is to divide the alphabet into two. Igbo alphabets are divided into two. What are they? Now the consonants. Okay, Igbo alphabet ekere abịdịị ụzọ Igbo ha bụ ndị a. Give me the examples. Then ekere udaume ụzọ Igbo ha bụ ndị a. You tell me the vowels are divided into two. They are ekere mgbochume ụzọ Igbo ụzọ abụọ ha bụ ndị a. The consonants are divided into two, and they are Nyem atụmatụ inyiri udaume. Give me examples of inyiri udaume. Those letters that looks like vowels. Nyem atụmatụ udaume. Give me examples of nasal sounds. Those sounds you pronounce from your nose. I think that will be all for now. Please like and subscribe to my channels, and tell every other person about the channel. The channel really, in this my channel, I'm so passionate about teaching of the Igbo language. So I want you to call your friends and everybody you know and tell them about the channel, so that they can learn the language, because truly, Iwamaka. Bye, Kemesia.